Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is one of the most fascinating subjects in the world of sleep and dreaming: lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is a state where you are aware that you are dreaming and have control over your dream. This phenomenon has captured the imagination of people for centuries, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of lucid dreaming to understand what it is, how it works, and how you can achieve it. So, sit back, relax, and let's start exploring. Lucid dreaming is a state of consciousness where you are aware that you are dreaming while you are still in the dream. This means that you have a level of control over the dream and can make conscious decisions within the dream. When you are in a lucid dream, you are like a character in a virtual reality game, with the power to shape your experience. The concept of lucid dreaming has been around for thousands of years, with references to it in ancient texts and cultural traditions. But it wasn't until the 20th century that scientists and psychologists began to study it more closely and understand its true nature. Lucid dreaming occurs during the rapid eye movement, REM stage of sleep, which is when the majority of dreaming takes place. During this stage, the brain is highly active and generates the vivid, dream-like images that we experience. When someone is in a lucid dream, their brain is able to remain aware and in control while they are in this state. This allows them to make conscious decisions within the dream, such as choosing to fly or control their actions. The key to achieving a lucid dream is to train your brain to become more aware while you are asleep. This can be done through a variety of techniques and strategies that we'll discuss later in the video. Lucid dreaming has many benefits for both your mental and physical health. For starters, it can help you overcome fears and phobias by giving you a safe and controlled environment to face your fears and work through them. This can be especially helpful for people who suffer from anxiety or PTSD. Additionally, lucid dreaming can increase creativity and problem-solving skills by giving you a space to explore new ideas and approach problems from different angles. It can also improve your overall mood and sense of well-being by allowing you to experience new and exciting things, even if they're only happening in your dreams. One of the most unique benefits of lucid dreaming is the ability to explore your unconscious mind and gain new insights into yourself. Through lucid dreaming, you can delve into the depths of your psyche and uncover hidden thoughts, feelings, and desires. This can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery, helping you to understand yourself better and make positive changes in your life. So, now that we've explored the benefits of lucid dreaming, you're probably wondering how you can achieve it. The good news is that anyone can learn to lucid dream with a little bit of practice and determination. Here are some of the most effective techniques and strategies for achieving a lucid dream. Reality testing. This involves checking throughout the day to see if you are dreaming or awake. You can do this by looking for inconsistencies or oddities in your environment, or by checking your hands to see if they are normal. This trains your brain to do the same thing during the night, making it more likely to become aware that you are dreaming when it happens. Keeping a dream diary can help you become more aware of your dreams and improve your chances of having a lucid dream. Write down as many details as you can remember about your dreams, including any recurring themes or patterns. This will help you become more familiar with your dream patterns and increase your chances of recognizing when you are dreaming. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can help increase your chances of having a lucid dream. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to improve your sleep quality and increase your chances of having a lucid dream. There are many different techniques that you can use to help induce a lucid dream, such as visualization, affirmations, or meditation. Find one that works best for you and practice it before you go to sleep to increase your chances of having a lucid dream. The power of your thoughts and beliefs can play a big role in your ability to have a lucid dream. Stay positive and confident, and believe in your ability to have a lucid dream. From my personal experience, it has worked really well for me to try going back to sleep after waking up in the morning or early morning, while incorporating techniques such as doing quick recap of dreams I had, and then trying to tell myself, I will wake up in my dreams. During the day I was telling myself, wait, how did I get there? And answer, for example, I am at work and got there by bus. Because we often don't remember how we got to a specific place in our dreams, then when this question arises in a dream, it's likely to trigger the realization that you are in a dream and experiencing a lucid dreaming. I had my first lucid dream maybe after 2 weeks of experimenting of different techniques, and after realization that I am lucid, dream lasted about 5 seconds, because you will feel excited that you finally did it and you will wake up. So don't worry, you will get better at it over time. Lucid dreaming is an exciting and fascinating phenomenon that offers many benefits for your mental and physical health. With a little bit of practice and determination, anyone can learn to achieve a lucid dream. So, try incorporating these techniques into your life and see what kind of incredible adventures await you in your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.